Hi everyone! Today we're going to make some DIY Geoswag. You might be wondering what Geoswag is. This week for the family program we were talking about geocaching. Geoswag is the little items that you leave in a geocache once you've found it. So today we're going to make some lucky pennies. The supplies that you will need are pennies, nail polish in whichever colors you desire, toothpicks, and then if you need to clean your pennies before you paint them, you'll want salt, vinegar, and a non-metal bowl. So to clean your pennies, you'll add salt and vinegar to a bowl, add the pennies, and either stir or shake. Then once they're clean, you want to rinse them with water and dry them. So let's make our Geoswag. So you've got your penny, and then you'll want to choose a base color. I'm going to use yellow. This color will cover the entire surface. Once your base coat's on, you can add your other colors. You can use as many colors as you like. Of course, the nice thing about using nail polish is that if you mess up, you can use nail polish remover to clean it off. Then you're going to take a toothpick and you can use it to swirl designs into the nail polish. And then when you are satisfied with the design, you're just going to let it dry. It might take a few hours depending on the thickness of the nail polish, but once it's dry, it's good to go, and you can start leaving it in your geocaches. Thanks for watching.